ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Nature of roots. For the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. B square minus 4 is called discriminant of the discriminant, and it is denoted by delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is called discriminant of the equation. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So nature of roots depends on delta. Delta, there is only a notation. There is no importance for delta. Delta, simple things for notation. Notation b square minus 4ac. Case 1. If a comma b comma c are real, belongs to real or real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers. Already you know what is a real number, what is a natural number, what is a whole number, what is an integer, what is a complex number, what is a rational number, everything. That is very important role, numbers. So a comma b comma c are real numbers, real numbers. First one, if delta is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Means unequal. Roots are real and unequal. 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 If delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If delta is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Imaginary means they are called complex numbers. They are called complex numbers. Imaginary. Delta is less than 0, roots are imaginary. This is case 1. Imaginary means what? They are called complex numbers. Complex numbers. Case 2. If a comma b comma c are rational, numbers. A comma b comma c are rational numbers. First one, if delta is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, then delta is greater than 0 and is a perfect square. Then the roots are rational and unequal. Rational and unequal. rational and unequal. If delta is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and unequal. Irrational and unequal. Now, what is the difference between the two? Difference between the two is, see here, greater than 0 and is a perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square means what? Delta value is 4 or 9 or 16 or 25, like this. For example, the formula is what? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a perfect square, means, for example, the value is minus 3 plus or minus root of the value is 25 by 2a, 2 into some 1. If it is given like this, so that is what? Minus 5 plus or minus 5 by 2. This is. That is called perfect square. That is minus 3 plus 5 by 2, comma, minus 3 minus 5 by 2. That is what? This is 1, comma, minus 4. These are the roots. These are the roots. Roots are rational. These are numbers and unequal. If delta is greater than 0 and not a perfect square means what? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Suppose the value is let it be some 5. So, it is minus 5 plus or minus root, this is 5 by 2 into 1. 5 is not a perfect square. In this case, root 5, this is minus 5 plus root 5 by 2, minus 5 minus root 5 by 2, these are irrational numbers. So, if it is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and unequal. And not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational and unequal. And next point, if delta is equal to 0, then roots are rational and equal. If delta is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Example, find the nature of roots. Nature of roots of the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Find the nature of roots of this equation. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C equal to delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square 25, 4 into 2 into 2, 25 minus 16, that is 9, which is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. And one example, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Nature of roots of this equation. Here a is 2, b is 3, c is 4. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b square is 9 minus 4 into a into c. That is equal to 9 minus 32 minus 23, which is less than 0. Therefore, roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Next one, an example. 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 6, C equal to 1. Delta is equal to B square minus 4AC, B square minus 6 whole square, 4 into 9 into 1, that is 36 minus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, delta equal to 0 means what? Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Next, write down problem. Find the value of k if the following equations has equal roots. First one, x square minus 15 minus k into 2x minus 8 equal to 0. First of all, the equation reduced into standard form. What is standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. This is x square minus 15 minus 2kx minus of minus plus 8k is equal to 0. So, this is x square minus 2k x plus 8k minus 15 is equal to 0. So, this is a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2k, C is equal to 8k minus 15, 8k minus 15. So roots are equal means what? Delta equal to 0. Since the roots are as equal roots means delta equal to 0. Delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square is minus 2k whole square. 4 into a into c, 8k minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is minus 2k whole square, 4k square minus 4 into 8k minus 15 is equal to 0. Take 4 is taking common. 4 common, k square minus of this is 8k minus 15 is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. So that is what? K square minus 8k minus of minus, that is 15k, 15 equal to 0. 15 equal to 0. What about 4? So take this side, that becomes 0. So k square minus 3k minus 5k plus 15 is equal to 0. These two, k is taking common, k minus 3. These two minus 5 is taking common, k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k minus 3 into k minus 5 equal to 0. K equal to 3 or 5. So k values 3 or 5. For next problem, you try these problems. X square 2 times of k plus 2 into x plus 9k equal to 0. Answer 1 and 4. Next one, k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 3 into x plus k plus 8 equal to 0. Answer 1 by 3. Same roots are equal, means in every case delta equal to 0. Answer minus 5 comma 3. Two k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 3 into x plus k plus 5 equal to 0. Answer minus 5 plus or minus root 41 by 2. Next one, 3k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus k equal to 0. Answer 1 comma minus 1 by 2. The next point, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. The equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equal to 0. So, by multiplying x square minus x beta minus x alpha plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus these two x is taken common, this is alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. But we treat as this is the formula. How to get this formula? Simply this one, that is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. So, this is the equation whose roots are alpha and beta. Now, the cubic equation whose roots are alpha, beta and gamma is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma equal to 0. The equation whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma is. For example, 4 roots are given. The equation whose roots are 1, 2, 3, 4 is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 0. Multiplying all these things, then we get a 4th degree equation in terms of x. One problem. Find the quadratic equation the sum of whose roots is 1 and the sum of their squares is 13. Find the quadratic equation sum of whose roots is 1 sum of the squares of sum of their squares is 13. Actually, what is the equation? X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is our required equation. Alpha plus beta is given. Now our aim, our target is to find the value of alpha into beta. What is given? Given alpha plus beta equal to 1 and alpha square plus beta square is equal to 13. Now we have to find alpha beta. Now this alpha plus beta equal to 1, squaring on both sides, 1 square is 1. So this is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 1. The value is 13 plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 1. So 2 alpha beta is equal to 1 minus 13 minus 12. Alpha beta is equal to 2 alpha beta equal to minus 2 alpha beta is equal to minus 12. Alpha beta equal to minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. Therefore, the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta is what? 1 x, and this is minus 6 equal to 0. That is x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0 is the required equation. Write down. Next, solve the following equations. Solve 4 power x minus 1, 3 times of 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Solve the equation. This you write 2 square x minus 1 minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So, a square whole cube is equal to a power 6. A cube whole square by that is also a power 6. Now, here a square whole cube means what is actually a square into a square into a square. That becomes a power 6. A cube whole square means what? A cube into A cube. Bases are equal, adding the powers. Both are same. Both are same. Now, I rewrite this equation 2 power x minus 1 whole square. 2 power x minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, I put 2 power x minus 1 is equal to k. Now, this becomes what? K square minus 3, this is k, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, by factorizing, this is k square minus k minus 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. Factorization, that is a compulsory for each and every student. This is always you get this factorization form. These two I am taking k is common, k minus 1. These two I am taking minus 2 is taking common. So this is k minus 1 equal to 0. So k minus 1 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 1 comma 2. K is 1 comma k is 1 comma 2. So if k is equal to 1, where k is, what is k equal to? This one. So that is 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 2 to the power of 0. 2 power 0. So bases are equal. So equating the powers. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So that is one answer. Next, if k is equal to 2, where k is 2 power x minus 1 is 2 can be written as 2 power 1. Bases are equal, equating the powers. So x minus 1 is equal to 1, x equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set x is 1, 2. Next problem, solve root of x by 1 minus x plus root of 1 minus x by x equal to 13 by 6, where x not equal to 1, not equal to 0. If x is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, which is not defined. If x equal to 0, so something by 0, which is not defined. Something by 0 is not defined. Okay. Now, in the same process, put root of x by 1 minus x. I am taking k. Then the equation becomes, this is k plus, this is the reciprocal. You just see this one. The reciprocal of this is what? 1 minus k by 1 minus x by x, which is reciprocal 1 by k plus 1 by k is equal to 13 by 6. 13 by 6. Now taking LCM, k is LCM, so this is k square plus 1 is equal to 13 by 6. By cross multiplication, 6 into k square plus 1 is equal to 13k. 6 k square plus 6 is equal to 13k. You take this side, 16k square minus 13k plus 6 equal to 0. Not 16, this is 6 only. Again it is a quadratic equation in terms of k. Now factors, that is 6k square, 36 factors, 9 into k, 9 plus k is 13, minus 9k minus 4k plus 6 equal to 0. So these two, you can take 3k is taking common. This becomes 2k minus 3 minus these two, 2 is taking common, 2 common, 2k minus I am taking common, this becomes minus, that is 3 equal to 0. If I am multiplying these two, minus 4k minus of minus plus 6. Therefore, this is 2k minus 3 into 3k minus 2 equal to 0. 2k minus 3 equal to 0 and 3k minus 2 equal to 0. 2k is equal to 3, k is equal to 3 by 2 here. 3k is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So, if k is equal to 3 by 2, where k is equal to root of x by 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now, this is squaring on both sides. This is x by 1 minus x is equal to, by squaring, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. X by 1 minus x equal to 9 by 4. Again cross multiplication. So this 4x is equal to 9 into 1 minus x. 1 minus x. 4x is equal to 9 minus 9x. You take this side. 4x plus 9x is equal to 9. 13x equal to 9. X equal to 9 by 13. X is equal to 9 by 13. If you take, if k is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, where k is root of x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Again squaring on both sides. X by 1 minus x equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Now cross multiplication. 9x is equal to 4 into 1 minus x. That is 9x is equal to 4 minus 4x. You take this side, 9x plus 4x is equal to 4. Therefore, 13x is equal to 13x is equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 13. right? K is equal to therefore x is equal to 9 by 13 or 4 by 13, that is answer.